Why should we consider switching to a plant-based diet? What are the health benefits that it brings along? Let's dive in. The information provided in this video is not intended to provide or replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. 1. Weight management. A significant benefit of adopting a plant-based diet is effective weight management. One of the key components of this diet is its high fiber content, which plays an integral role in maintaining a healthy weight. Foods rich in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts, add bulk to your diet and provide a sense of fullness after meals. This sense of satiety can curb overeating or unnecessary snacking, a common culprit in weight gain. Moreover, plant-based diets are typically low in calories and fats compared to diets high in animal products. This doesn't mean they're less satisfying, quite the contrary. The variety of tastes, textures, and nutrients in plant-based meals can satiate your hunger while keeping your calorie intake in check. It's a win-win situation for those seeking to lose weight without having to resort to restrictive diets that can lead to nutritional deficiencies or other health issues. 2. Heart health. Numerous studies have shown that a plant-based diet can contribute significantly to heart health. Foods such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts, which are the mainstays of a plant-based diet, are rich in dietary fiber and plant compounds like flavonoids and antioxidants. These nutrients play a pivotal role in reducing the levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can contribute to the buildup of plaques in the arteries, leading to heart disease. Furthermore, plant-based diets are low in saturated fats, which are often high in diets heavy in animal products. Excessive intake of these fats can increase cholesterol levels, thereby raising the risk of heart disease. Therefore, by reducing your intake of animal products and increasing your intake of plant foods, you can improve your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. 3. Longevity. A growing body of scientific evidence suggests a correlation between a plant-based diet and increased longevity. Populations known for their exceptional longevity, such as the residents of the blue zones, areas in the world where people live the longest, typically follow diets rich in plant foods and low in processed foods and animal products. Plant-based diets, with their emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, offer an array of antioxidants, phytochemicals, and other nutrients that combat inflammation and oxidative stress, key contributors to chronic diseases and aging. By focusing on plant foods, you're fueling your body with the tools it needs to support a long, healthy life. 4. Diabetes prevention. Another notable benefit of a plant-based diet is its potential role in preventing type 2 diabetes. Plant-based diets are rich in complex carbohydrates, which are broken down slowly in the body, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Furthermore, these diets are high in fiber, which can improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are essential components of a plant-based diet. These foods not only provide the necessary nutrients for overall health but also help maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing and managing diabetes. 5. Cancer prevention. Emerging research indicates that a plant-based diet could lower the risk of certain types of cancer. This potential benefit is largely due to the rich array of antioxidants, phytochemicals, and fiber found in plant foods. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, a key contributor to the development of cancer. Phytochemicals, on the other hand, have various anti-cancer properties, such as inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation. Finally, dietary fiber, particularly from whole grains and legumes, can reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. 6. Mental well-being. Recent research suggests a strong connection between diet and mental health. Adopting a plant-based diet might contribute positively to your psychological well-being. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are replete with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, E, and various B vitamins, along with minerals like magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids, which play significant roles in supporting brain health. Diets high in these nutrients have been associated with a lower risk of depression and anxiety. Certain plant foods, such as dark chocolate, bananas, and berries, even have mood-enhancing properties. While further research is needed, it's clear that a balanced, nutrient-rich, plant-based diet can contribute to better mental health. 7. Enhanced immunity. One of the less heralded, but no less significant, benefits of a plant-based diet is its impact on our immune system. Plant-based foods are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that our immune system needs to function effectively. For example, citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which is known to boost immunity. Other foods like spinach, broccoli, and bell peppers are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber, which are crucial for maintaining immune health. Moreover, many plant-based foods contain potent antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body, further supporting our immune function. 8. Improved skin health. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve healthy, glowing skin, consider the role your diet plays. A diet that prioritizes fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, in other words, a plant-based diet, provides an abundance of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promote skin health. Vitamin C, found in abundance in fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis, aids in the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm and supple. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, help keep skin moisturized and may protect against sun damage. Moreover, many plant-based foods are high in antioxidants, which can protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals and slow the signs of aging. While a plant-based diet isn't a magic solution for all skin concerns, it does offer nutrients that can contribute significantly to maintaining and improving skin health. 9. Improved digestion. A plant-based diet can significantly improve your digestive health. A high-fiber diet helps add bulk to your stools, aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can nourish your gut microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for optimal digestion and overall health. 10. Environmental impact. A plant-based diet's benefits extend beyond personal health. It also plays a significant role in environmental health. The production of plant-based foods generally requires less water, land, and energy compared to the production of meat and dairy. Additionally, it produces fewer greenhouse gases, contributing less to climate change. Switching to a plant-based diet is one way individuals can reduce their environmental footprint. It's a change that benefits not only your health but also the health of our planet.